सारे आप सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं जो हमारे आम जिंदगी में होते हैं। जैसे इस उम्र के बच्चे भी इन शब्दों से एक्सपोज हो सकते हैं, तो इसकी कास्टिंग में बहुत मदद हुई हमारी।
कबीर को ये सारी चीजें समझ में आ रही थी कि क्या बात हुई?
सीजन 2 आप कुछ
I think they are the foundation of this series. Frankly, these two lovely gentlemen here. But I guess it's always, I think they'll probably also say that it's finally everything has to come together as a team. चाहे कितना जैसे मैं कह रहा था इतना अच्छा आइडिया हो लेकिन गंदे से एग्जीक्यूट हो तो उस आइडिया में मजा नहीं है। अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट हो लेकिन एक्टर्स पे ठीक से नहीं बैठा तो मजा नहीं आएगा। और आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत डायरेक्शन भी ठीक है।
आशीष, मैं सॉरी आशीष जस्ट इंटरप्टिंग यू। आशीष पूरी तरह से इस राइटिंग प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व थे। ये कोई एक बंदे की सोच नहीं थी जो गोपाल दादा वाज द हेड राइटर ऑफ द होल थिंग। ये हम सब ने मिलके, निखिल ने, आशीष ने, अमृत ने, मैंने, देवांग ने, हम सब ने मिलके, इनफैक्ट हमने गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट से बात की, हमने कई डॉक्टरों से बात की इस बारे में, और तब ये जाके स्क्रिप्ट बनी है। तो इसमें बहुत लोगों का योगदान रहा है। और जैसे आशीष ने कहा, राइटर्स प्लिंथ होते हैं, फाउंडेशन होते हैं किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए। तो फाउंडेशन हमारी बहुत स्ट्रांग थी, पर इसके अलावा बहुत लोगों ने इस पे काम किया।
But I think you must have a specific offline conversation with these two lovely gentlemen here, Gopal and Devang. You must catch up with them and have more detailed discussion.
Sachin sir, have you experienced anything like this in your personal life?
Sorry?
Have you experienced anything?
6.5 years old, and he explained, he was a very, very close friend to me, and he explained a few things which I could understand at that age. But he revived this topic when I was 13, where I could understand a bit more and better. And he has been ever since a very, very close friend, and he would speak very openly so that I get some knowledge about some things which I don't know. I was looking at him, I mean, from top to bottom.
So, first of all, the reason, I mean, I'm playing just a very short and tiny role, and the reason why I did this because of Ashish. I think he's a very amazing and fantastic director. Second, because of the importance of sex education in our country, and I feel as a contemporary Indian girl, and also as a current Miss Universe India, I have a lot of responsibilities to create social awareness as well. And if I can be an important aspect in such a major digital series, so I don't find any problem in it. So, thank you.
At what age?
Well, unfortunately, this was also part of my family, like how we always used to be very shy about talking about it and all. But if you ask me, it was during my teen years, yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Right word to use, penetrating is the internet in our country. Excuse me. But this message hopefully will go wide with that, with the pure intention that we do have to take it out there. And one step at a time here, I think this medium actually is appropriate for getting a message out there like this to begin with. And I'd be happy if someone like a Doordarshan would air content like this. I'd be happy to give it to them free. There's a reason why we are dubbing it in so many languages or subtitling it in, hell, 15 languages and more. So I really hope so, yeah. लेकिन ये शुरुआत है. We've just touched the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to do and so much deeper and wider we take this.
Will you be quite educative, so would you be taking it to schools?
Really, I'm actually hoping, and I'm glad you brought that up, ma'am, because most schools, you'll be surprised today in our country, don't have sex education as part of their curriculum. The places that do have it, it is so badly curated or it's so badly delivered that either you'll go to sleep or you'll slash your wrist. या फिर तुम आँखें निकाल के कान में डाल दोगे ताकि तुम देख भी ना सको, सुन भी ना सको. So we are really hoping that this is the correct language in which to take it to people. So I'd be happy to really kickstart a school contact program where we can just showcase these, give you an email ID if you have more questions, anonymously write it and we'll try and answer those. मतलब सोचिए ना, आज भी 40-45 साल के लोग, आदमी, डॉक्टर वत्सा को मुंबई मिरर में लिखते हैं and they ask if their penis will fall off if they masturbate.
Yeah, I feel
It's unfortunate.
I thought that it's scripted. Or
No, it's all real apparently. So certainly I'd hope to take it to school and get it started. Sorry, you.
Sachin sir,
था यार, मतलब, that's what, and that was something that we needed to watch out for, that not only does it ever go into even remotely sleazy territory, but it also shouldn't get very complicated. Okay, again, how to explain those concepts that it's the lining of the wall of the uterus that drains out with the blood, which is why menstruation, all of that. It was important that it becomes clear and simple. So, kafi, matlab, like I said, we struggled with this for like 6 months plus. But all credit to really this team, and there's of course an incredible team with Nikhil Taneja, who runs development as part of Y Films, who also just jammed so closely and brought all his knowledge of sex and experience. Yeah, look at him, sex god. Yeah, look at that shirt, look at that jeans, look at the fit. So,
And also, I must appreciate, not to be vulgar when you are dealing with a topic which is below the belt. I really appreciate you guys for that.
सचिन जी अगर ये आपको कुछ साल पहले लिपिका हियर
हाँ जी, I'm fine.
अगर ये आपको कुछ साल पहले मिलता तो क्या आप करते?
मेरे ख्याल से कुछ साल पहले मुझे भी सेक्स का नॉलेज उतना ही था जितना आज है। तो मेरा ख्याल है अगर मैं कुछ साल पहले भी अगर ये करता तो उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं होता।
Sachin sir, if as a child actor you sorry, I was asking Sachin sir.
Like he didn't understand anything, and you said if a child is immature enough to ask, he's mature enough to understand. So doesn't this contradict? He didn't get it.
I think don't base all decisions like some people do on a sample size of one. That would be very, very wrong. And this is now obviously this is not the encyclopedia of sex. This is the first step in getting this conversation started. That is why our tagline is let's talk about sex, baby. Don't be embarrassed about it. इसमें शर्माने की क्या बात है? अब सारे जवाब यहीं से मिल गए तो problem ना? And that's the problem. That unfortunately for most children, they learn about these things through the internet. What is my message? Your first milestone for satiating your curiosity has to be your parent, not Google. So शुरुआत करो. We've tried to facilitate that conversation for parents, and hopefully now when Kabir goes and asks Shireen, who's a biology teacher who incidentally also helped us on the script, on the lyrics, कि नहीं यार ये इसे ovum कहते हैं, या this is the egg, so be clear about that. So she also helped clear out our concepts. That conversation will be easier. It will no longer be a secret. And there's a right time and a right stage for everything. Maybe it's not yet right for Kabir specifically, but there are 6-year-olds where probably you know more, who can probably teach us everything. I mean, there's a classic joke doing the rounds about, son, it's time to talk about sex. Sure, Dad, what do you want to know? That happens. I'm sorry, your question,
Yeah.
sir.
Sachin sir, I want to ask you have done many films as a child actor. So if given the role of Pappu, so how much comfortable you would have been in doing that role?
You would have been.
Yeah, you would
Oh,
have been, yeah.
I thought you were telling me if I
No,
get
no,
it
no,
now.
Not now.
Oh,
Not
okay.
now.
Yes. Yes, I would be very, very comfortable, of course, because I'm an actor, and I started acting at the age of 4.5. So I think on the third day itself, I felt that I was at home on the third day of the shoot. So the time was different then, but today we have such talented guys. I would have been very happy to get it when I was this small.
Sachin, did you
My wife did.